currently out and about, headed towards the Strip right now. Still in Vegas, it's around noon. And hold on, we got the green light, just wait for it. You're gonna like these two billboards right up there. One of them is for findjesus.com or something like that. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. And we got medicinal marijuana. Now the real question is, who put the billboard up first and who put it up second? It's kind of like a fuck you to, like, you know, whoever put it up first, right? Hold on guys, check this out. I've heard about this thing here at Enterprise. You could actually rent SVRs here in Vegas.
Your twin.
My twin, I've never seen my twin.
You gotta park this right next to it.
No way, reserve parking for the exotics for Enterprise. Yeah, if they rolled out this program, I bet they couldn't sell the SVRs, so they sold them at discount, and they kind of fucked up because they didn't put the wing up, so it's dude, yeah. I bet the guys at Enterprise are like, oh, welcome back, thanks for returning the car, you know? No way. That's actually pretty funny. Oh, yeah, even the same brake caliper. Everything's the same.
It's like identical. If that had tin.
Yeah. All right, you guys know I'm a real stickler for paint quality. I'm not that picky, but in the sunlight here, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Look at the swirl marks. They're everywhere. Granted, the car is in pretty good condition. Oh, look at the VIN number. What the? Wait, what? Is there a piece of paper covering that up?
Yeah.
Why? But anyways, take a look at the, that's right guys, no swirl marks here. One more comparison in the Las Vegas sunlight. Check that out, boom. Someone fucked it up. All right, I'm reparking the car so I get a photo, but we're gonna put it in obviously flex mode, which this guy didn't do. Here we go.
The wing isn't matching now.
Oh, the wing's not Oh, I did it on purpose though, because like, you know,
you gotta be cooler.
You gotta let them know what's up, you know. Currently here at Royalty Exotic Cars, we got Damon's, DDE's, Huracan. There's the Jeep that James was just in. We're actually headed back to Los Angeles, so we're gonna be seeing Damon relatively soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. By the way, we're also doing something with Royalty next time we come back to Vegas. All right, guys, we made a quick pit stop here at Lusso Auto Design, and I think they share the same building with Impressive Wrap, so apparently they got 3 of Dan's or ex-Dan's hybrid cars hiding in here, so we're gonna go in and check it out real quick. Currently here at Lusso LV, we got Dan's old Chiron right here with the gold leafing. Check that out. Bam. Now, I'm not a big fan of gold leafing wrap. I don't know, I think on the C part, right over there, that'll have been just enough, but it might have been a little overkill on the front here. And of course, we got Dan's Wire Roadster and his coupe with the Tempesta package just chilling right here in the corner. And we got a massive aquarium right over there that we're gonna check out. I'm actually more interested in the aquarium right over there than these cars, but there's some on the rear spoiler and engine bay right here. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer with or without the gold leafing? They did not mess around when they wrapped this car. I think my biggest quarrel with this is the front, but to each their own, I suppose. Now, apparently both of these two cars right here, the coupe with the Tempesta package and the Chiron, made news where they're both bought by Bitcoin several months ago. So it's pretty interesting to see the Wire Roadster right here. Makes you wonder if it was bought with cryptocurrency as well. Pretty interesting to see this Wire Roadster again. We saw it at Geneva and in the US at Cars and Copters and its garage. But check out this aquarium spot, guys. I don't know how big or how many gallons are in this aquarium, but it is fucking massive. Got the logo in the middle as well. Pretty nice setup going on here. If any of these fish are exotic or expensive, let me know in the comments below. And Brother Passon, if you're watching this, we're gonna have to visit you in Thailand and check out your aquarium pretty soon. But my goodness, this thing is huge. I'm genuinely more excited about this aquarium than those 3 cars over there. I hate to say it, guys. I mean, sorry. You guys are killing it with the license plate game. Meow Wolf. 2 police officers right behind us. Yikes. Ooh, we're gonna take this off sport mode. All right, we're good. By the way, We got Meow Wolf right there. Dude, I'm telling you, the license plate game here in Las Vegas is out of control. DJ Cheese. And you can't see here, but in the C250,
There we go.
hold on, it says, wait for it, Andy 5 and DJ Cheese, Meow Wolf. And some cops behind me. Check this out, we just found a fucking pink wrapped Z8 Alpina. No way. Oh wait, there's an R8 right there, wait, zoom in. Oh, it's green. Dude, Vegas,
Crazy
baby.
color.
We just saw an Aventador pass by that way as well.
Get it.
Oh, he's gone, he's gone.
Yes.
It's a little windy, guys. It's got the Alpina wheels, yeah.
Yeah.
And you can tell, obviously, it's a wrap. You can see the bubbling right over there. It's really windy. The license plate says blonde in the back right here. Nice. And she's got the red bejeweled license frame.
Yeah.
What? We are currently here in Las Vegas. We're at the Venetian on the 7th floor of the parking structure. And dude, I can't even make this up. We just found a fucking Enzo. The Enzo. Now this is actually a pretty special Enzo. Now there's a lot of like paint damage. There's like a lot of issues with the car. But if you look up the 7007C/BFMS Enzo on Google, there's an entire story of how this car was crashed years ago, and the owner back then had put around 31,000 miles. I don't know what the odometer is reading right now, probably a lot more. By the way, he's from Utah and we're in Vegas, so he probably drove this all the way here. By the way, I'm filming this with my phone so I apologize for the audio quality and the image quality, but we didn't anticipate seeing a freaking Enzo parked on the corner on the 7th story parking structure of the Venetian.
There it is.
But yeah, we were in the Corolla, chilling, about to leave. We had a pretty good night. We're up, beat the casino at their own game, and none of us wanted to utter the word Enzo because we thought it was like, what, a kid car or like maybe like a Testarossa from the rear. I don't know. We don't want to embarrass ourselves and be like, hey, like there's an Enzo parked in the corner.
Yeah, like, is that a...
No.
No.
It can't be. Stradman had mentioned this car in one of his videos. I don't really remember the entire story, but just Google 7007 Enzo, and Road and Track has an entire article from 2011 that details the destruction of the car and then the reconstruction. And then they took this car into the Salt Flats, right? Bonneville Salt Flats, and it hit 237 miles an hour. It had like a parachute, had like special wheels. Look, it's missing look, check that out. Paint quality is obviously not in tip-top condition, but
The center cap's way too much.
yeah,
Anyway.
yeah, maybe that's what it is. It's
Yeah.
just way too much.
Oh, yeah.
Interior shot real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap-a-roni, man.
It's got some crazy shit going on the dash.
I saw
that's
that.
like an aftermarket cluster.
Yeah. It was probably used for like a top speed run that they did at the Salt Flats. We thought this was a fake.
Yeah, like,
We're literally going that way or coming this way to exit, and then we see this in the corner.
like, wait.
And mind you, it's a Wednesday night. It's around, what time is it, 1 a.m.? On a Wednesday night. Owner is super nice, super chill. He's probably really weirded out seeing us right next to his car. But look at the exhaust tips. And look at all the dirt and grime. This guy does not give a goddamn about anything. You don't even see Enzos in Los Angeles. Look at all the bugs and all the... Holy smokes. Everyone's just drive. Oh, we abandoned the Corolla right there. It's not like, so people are like trying to get around us. Where it's like, oh, who cares? There's a fucking Enzo here, so it's all good. Anthony and I were just discussing that this guy basically treats and drives his Enzo as if he has no care in the world. It's unbelievable. This is his beater Enzo.
Yeah.
Basically, this is Anthony's Corolla that he beats around on a day-to-day basis. That's how this guy's treating this Enzo. And the funniest thing is like just all these cars that have been passing by, like no one has stopped once to take a photo. I'm gonna have a little chit chat with James Stradman and see what the odometer is reading right now, because it said 31,000 miles and this was 7 years ago. So those security guys there just cracked the typical joke, hey, stop taking pictures of my car. and they don't even know what they had no idea. They had no idea what they were looking at. No, they're like, oh, it's a Ferrari. No big deal, and they just drove off.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna bounce. That is it for today's video, guys. I'll catch you next video.